Hi there, this is Noemi from Jackie Bean, and in today's video, let's make a slip knot.
Okay, so to make a slip knot, we're gonna grab the tail end of our yarn, we're gonna make a little loop, and with right hand, two fingers, we're gonna go through this little loop and grab onto the tail end of our yarn, and then with our other hand, we're gonna grab the yarn that's on our right and pull tight. And there you go, there's your slip knot. Pulling on the tail end of the yarn again, you can tighten the slip knot and put your needle through. And that's how you start your cast on.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and leave all your questions in the comments below. You can find all the yarn I used in this video on my website at JackieBean.com. Thank you for watching!